Hello, good morning, students. आवाज येतोय का माझा? We are
Yes,
studying
sir.
third unit. Okay. We are studying third unit in our MEM, that is cast iron. In that cast iron, we have seen that basic carbon content in cast iron is around from 2.1 percentage to 4.5 percentage on this iron carbon equilibrium diagram. We have studied this diagram in our second chapter, that is स्टील अँड इट्स अलॉयज. बरोबर, सेकंड चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण ही महत्वाची डायग्राम शिकलोय, फेज डायग्राम और कॉल्ड एज iron carbon or also called as Fe3C diagram. So in this iron carbon diagram, this on this x-axis there is a weight percentage of carbon, as well as on this y-axis there is a temperature in degree Celsius or in Fahrenheit also. Okay. So when this carbon percentage increases from this 2 onwards, 2.1 onwards up to 4.5, basically in that iron carbon diagram, that is the last point of the carbon content is 6.67 percentage. Okay, cementite phase जिथं असतो ना, that is 6.67 percentage. But in between that 2.1 percentage पासून पुढे 4.1 पर्यंत काय आहे, there is a cast iron. Okay, सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल. So this cast iron has very wide range of properties like strength, hardness, ductility, good thermal conductivity, and importantly, damping capacity. आपण बघितलं damping capacity काय आहे. The machine tool structures, they are all made by this cast iron because of this property. The damping capacity means whatever the vibrations are created, जे काही व्हायब्रेशन तयार होत आहे मशीनिंग करताना, बरोबर, लक्षात घ्या स्टुडंट. मशीनिंग करताना जे काही व्हायब्रेशन तयार होत आहे मोटरच्या हाय स्पीड आरपीएम मुळे किंवा टूल आणि वर्कपीसचं जे फ्रिक्शन होत आहे, मशीनिंग होत आहे, इन बिटवीन दॅट there are vibrations are created. So what happened due to this vibration machine, there are chances of vibrating the machine, and that will affect on your dimensions while you're machining the job. मग तसं व्हायला नको. मग हे जे व्हायब्रेशन्स आहे ते मिनिमाइज झाले पाहिजे किंवा ते एक्सेप्ट केले पाहिजे, ते काय मिनिमाइज होऊन त्याचा इफेक्ट नल केला पाहिजे. दॅट इज डॅम्पिंग कॅपॅसिटी टू ऍब्सॉर्ब द व्हायब्रेशन्स. मग ग्रे कास्ट आयर्न मध्ये काय असतं, इट हॅज गुड डॅम्पिंग कॅपॅसिटी, सो दिस व्हायब्रेशन्स आर मिनिमाइज or their effect is minimized so that the machine tool will show the good performance in dimension also. So this gray cast iron is used in mostly various machine tool structures because of this damping capacity. Then also this is our basic iron carbon diagram. On this iron carbon diagram, we have seen that there is up to this 723 degrees Celsius. This is alpha Fahrenheit phase. Initially कोणतं phase आहे? That from room temperature up to 0.8 percentage, there is a alpha Fahrenheit phase called as the alpha phase, having body centered cubic crystal structure. From that 723, this constant temperature line, from this constant temperature line above this alpha phase, initially it is converted into the gamma austenite, which is a FCC structure. This body centered cubic structure is converted into the face centered cubic structure, phase FCC, gamma austenite. And at around this 1300 or 1400 degrees Celsius, this gamma austenite, this steel, solid steel is converted into the liquid, that is delta ion. So this gamma austenite is converted into the delta ion or liquid, which is again having that BCC structure, body centered cubic crystal structure. So this property of iron showing different crystal structures. बरोबर, आयन काय होते, डिफरंट क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर दाखवतोय ऍट व्हेरियस टेम्परेचर्स, ऍट व्हेरियस कार्बन कंटेंट, विच इज कॉल्ड एज एल्ट्रॉपी ऑफ आयन. बरोबर, या साईडला इथे बघा कास्ट आयन दाखवलं बघा, इलेक्ट्रिक टेम्परेचर जे दाखवलं ते इथे, बरोबर, ऍट दॅट देर इज अ कास्ट आयन ऑन दॅट आयन कार्बन डायग्राम. तो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कास्ट आयन, pig iron, scrap steel, limestone, carbon coke, kapla, electric arc furnace, electric induction furnace. Usually sand cast but can be gravity die cast in reusable graphite molds. बरोबर कास्टिंग कसं करायचं आपण बघू एकदा थोडक्यात पीपीटी मध्ये जस्ट म्हणून कास्ट टाइम कसं करायचं आपण युट्यूबला बघू जस्ट म्हणून शो यू ऑन दॅट व्हिडिओ So student will understand the managing method of cast time that about just okay knowledge why that is having good castability. Cast time management process चे व्हिडिओ आपण बघू थोडक्यामध्ये. ओपन होतंय स्टुडंट स्क्रीन हॅलो स्टुडंट यूट्यूब ओपन होतंय का रे स्टुडंट्स गिव मी रिप्लाय होतंय ना
Yes, sir.
ओके थँक्यू सुरू झालं रॉ मटेरियल येते स्टुडंट आपण कास्ट टाइमची तयारी होईल प्रोसेस बघतो आपण रॉ आयन मटेरियल रॉ मटेरियल म्हणतो म्हणजे रॉ मटेरियल आयनचं रॉ मटेरियल आहे बघा मिक्स केलं त्या ओव्हरमधून आणि हिटिंग त्याला हिटिंग केलं कास्टिंगचं बोलतो कास्टिंग लिक्विड झालं पाहिजे सॉलिड So this is liquid casting. Solid is converted into liquid and it is given the required shape. Content 90 काय करतात ते required shape देतो finish shape दिला जातो. Casting and iron.
सर स्क्रीन अडकती है. हेलो सर.
Liquid cast solid material converted into liquid मध्ये. Casting असे बदल काय लक्षात घ्या आपलं casting शिवायचं आहे. So this is the process of managing casting for finishing करतात ही this is called as the finishing stage. फिनिशिंग स्टेजला काही डिटेल पण डिझाईन वगैरे असेल त्याप्रमाणे ते द्यावं लागतं कोटिंग करता येतं hot iron production again, heating the carbon. Heating the finished product again. Packing झालं, packing. Good problem. Hello students, am I audible now? आवाज येतोय का माझा? Due to some network problem, lecture is disconnected. व्हिडिओ बघितला सगळ्यांनी? हॅलो.
हो.
हा, मग आपण कास्ट आयर्न कसं तयार होतं आपण बघितलं. तर बेसिकली काय बघितलं आपण? डिस पिग आयर्न, बरोबर? स्क्रॅप स्टील, लाइमस्टोन, कार्बन called as a coke. So in this way, this type of various raw materials are mixed together in that high heating furnace, Kapla furnace, or maybe electric arc furnace, or maybe electric induction furnace. And after heating, that ions get converted into liquid, and that will be casted or cast usually by various casting process like gravity die casting as per the components. And after that, forming the casting product, in the last stage we have to do the finish by machining. In the last stage there is a, as per your drawing, you have to give the finish shape to that casting products. So that is production of cast irons, and these are the four types of cast iron, student. Grey cast iron showing grey color of that fraction, which is containing the carbon as graphite, and that graphite is having grey color. Okay. So next is white cast iron, that carbides often alloyed ductile cast iron, often alloyed ductile cast iron called white cast iron. Alloyed cast iron is a carbide form मध्ये असते, बरोबर? जसं graphite is in the gray cast iron form, similarly carbide is in the white cast iron form showing white color. Then third kind of cast iron is ductile cast iron, or called as a nodular spheroidal graphite. Spherical shape मध्ये असतं. आपण मागच्या वेळेस बघितलं होतं. It is in the form of spherical shape. That's why it is called as a spheroidal graphite. That is ductile iron. Then next is malleable cast iron, having malleability. And last is the compacted graphite cast iron, that is graphite cast iron. Okay, so these are the five types of cast iron which we have to study in detail. Effect of cooling rate आपण मागच्या बघितलं होतं due to different cooling rates. Cast iron showing the different temperatures or different composition. So gray cast iron it is in the flake form. आपण बघितलं flake म्हणजे काय धान्याचं असतं ना धान्याच्या स्वरूपात. It is in the form of flakes, grain like flakes. So flakes, graphite flakes in the material Just wait, student, just type. So students, so this is grey cast iron. Then we are going to study this ductile iron. Ductile iron having that spheroidal graphite in the form of spherical shape. For better ductility, they grey cast iron, so also called as a spheroidal graphite (SG) or nodular graphite. मग असं बघायचं, they are the spherical shape. The graphite is in graphite spheres surrounded by ferrite. हे जे black colorचं graphite आहे, so graphite it is carbon. So graphite flakes or graphite spheres, not flakes, sorry. This graphite sphere, spherical shape, it is surrounded by the ferrite white portion, or usually some perlite, maybe some cementite can be hardened to martensite by heat treatment. So that is a ductile cast iron or called as a spheroidal cast iron. Composition similar to grey cast iron except for higher purity, melt is added to incoculant in ladle. बरोबर. आता डक्टाइल कास्ट आयर्न कसं तयार करता याची प्रोसिजर दिली त्यांनी. प्रोडक्शन मेल्ट इज ॲडेड टू इनकॉल्क्युलंट इन लॅडल. मॅग्नेशियम as wire ingots or pellets is added to ladle before adding hot iron. Then magnesium vaporizes to melt, removing sulfur. Sulfur as an impurity remove केलं जातं त्याच्यातून. These are the properties of ductile iron called as spheroidal iron. Strength higher than grey cast iron. Ductility up to 6% to cast iron or 20% annual. Low cost and much stability better than steel of that spheroidal iron. Applications of the spheroidal iron is automotive industry. 55% of ductile iron in USA. Crankshafts, front wheels, spindle supports, steering knuckles. They are using this ductile iron or spheroidal iron, and various using this ductile iron. Then next kind of iron is the malleable iron. Malleable iron called as the graphite in nodular form. That graphite in the nodular form produced by heat treatment of white cast iron. बरोबर आपण बघितलं ना त्यास malleable cast iron तयार करताना काय आहे, initially we have to get the white cast iron. बरोबर malleable cast iron करताना सुरुवातीला आपल्याला white cast iron मिळतं. त्या white cast ironला heat treatment दिल्यानंतर we will get the malleable iron. So produced by heat treatment of white cast iron. White cast ironला heat treatment दिल्यानंतर heating केल्यानंतर we will get the malleable iron. Graphite nodules are irregular clusters. These graphite nodules are irregular clusters. Similar properties to ductile iron. So that is your malleable iron. So this is your graphite nodules. If you can see, these are the graphite in nodular form. These are the small nodulars, and that is graphite. Black color is graphite form. So that is in the ferrite, pearlite, or tempered martensite matrix. Again, this white portion is the matrix component of either ferrite, pearlite, or tempered martensite. This ferritic casting required two-stage annealing. Ferritic Perlitic casting first stage only. So that is the manufacture. By giving a treatment to white cast iron, we will get the malleable cast iron. These properties are similar to ductile iron, good shock resistance as well as good ductility and good machinability. Then applications of this malleable iron, similar applications of ductile iron. Malleable iron is better than iron is better for thinner casting. Thinner casting जब बनवायचं असतं तेव्हा malleable iron is better other than other casting. Ductile iron better for thicker castings greater than 40 mm. Vehicle components also using this malleable iron, power trains, frames, suspensions, wheels, steering component, transmission. So all these vehicle components they are made by this malleable iron. Even railway components are also made by this malleable cast iron. Pipe fittings are also using this malleable cast iron. Then joining cast iron. So welding, brazed welding, brazing, soldering, mechanical connections they are also made by this cast iron. Weldability also is good to all this cast iron. Then the fourth cast iron is the white cast iron. As the fracture surface showing the white color, it is called as the white cast iron. In the white cast iron there is no graphite because carbon forms the Fe3C or more complex carbide. Carbon is not reacting, one carbon is reacting with the three ferrous atom. So it is a more complex carbide. They are having abrasion resistance, often alloyed, and Australian standard that is real resistance white cast iron DR20394. So that is your white cast iron. Effect of alloying elements. As we have seen that various alloying elements like silicon, nickel, chromium, magnesium, that added in various cast irons for enhancing, for improving the properties of the iron. So, like silicon nickel promotes the graphite, whereas chromium promotes the carbide. Affect matrix microstructure by ferrite, pearlite, and martensite or austenite. Corrosion resistance by increased by chromium adding. And they are having the specific effect by adding these various alloying element, high chromium ions. That when we are adding the chromium in higher percentage from 12 to 28%, that is cast iron is high chromium ion. That low effect on hardenability that in steel. So students, these are the different four types of cast iron. आपण परत त्याचं basic structure बघू एकदा. Just a minute. So this is called as a malleable iron. Malleable iron showing the dispersed graphite in that ferrite, pearlite or tempered martensite matrix. हे जे black color आहे ते काय आहे? Dispersed graphite which is surrounded by this ferrite, pearlite or tempered martensite matrix. हे जे black color dispersed graphite आहे ते काय झालंय या फेराइटच्या किंवा पर्लाइट और टेम्पर्ड मार्टेसाइटच्या मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये असं बघायला डिस्ट्रीब्यूट झालंय. दॅट इज your malleable iron. Then we have seen the ductile iron. So ductile iron is also called as a spheroidal iron. This ductile shape iron called as a spherical or a spheroidal iron, as the graphite spheres, these black colors graphite spheres are there. They are surrounded by this ferrite called as a ductile iron or called as a spheroidal iron. Spheroidal means this spherical shape graphite is surrounded by the ferrite. That is your ductile iron. Then also we have seen this grey cast iron. This grey cast iron is having these flakes. These flakes they are surrounded by this ferrite, pearlite or matrix component matrix. So this white matrix of ferrite, pearlite or either martensite, and in that martensite matrix or ferrite, pearlite matrix there is a black color flakes, just like flake like graphite. That is your white, sorry, grey cast iron, which are having the different properties, and it is widely used. Grey cast iron is widely used in your industries. In this way, students, these are the four types of cast iron which we have studied in detail, and we also studied the cast iron manufacturing process. Again, and before completing the lecture, we are having just time, so we'll just see one more YouTube video about your grey cast iron. Just a minute. डक्टाइल आयनचं पाईप कसं करतो डायरेक्टली ते बघू आपण. दॅट इज ग्रे कास्ट आयन और डक्टाइल आयन.
The manufacturing process as we know it is changing. Today's consumers expect personalized experiences. Emerging digital technologies allow manufacturers to compete effectively through proactive customer engagements, improved efficiency, and high quality. Yep.
पीक आयन होतं ते रॉ मटेरियल स्क्रॅप आयन असतं ना, स्क्रॅप आयन त्याचं बघा सर, स्क्रॅप आयन जाळलं जातं सर, विकून दिलं जातं. लिक्विड मेटल.
सर स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे.
When it is poured in the number of moles, more than the liquid setting more than the pouring.
स्क्रीनच
पाईप जर आहे तत्काळ लाईन तयार केलं गेलं होतं. स्टेरॉइड लाईन होतं आपण ना, स्टेरॉइड लाईन त्याचं पाईप तयार केलं गेलं होतं. Casting process, this iron. जिंदाल कंपनी सिंदरला स्टुडंट्स जिंदाल कंपनी आहे सिंदरला मध्ये जिंदाल कंपनी. तर त्या ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारचे पाईप तयार केले जातात, बट नॉट बाय कास्टिंग. दे आर हॅव्हिंग अनदर मेथड सिमिलर टू दिस प्रोसेस. दे आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग दिस ह्यूज पाईप्स. बरोबर, मोठे मोठे लेनचे पाईप तयार होतात तिथे जिंदाल कास्टिंग मध्ये, जिंदाल सॉ लिमिटेड मध्ये सिंदरला. Different sizes pipes are made continuously. And finishing process last stage. Checking the dimensions of pipes. Inspection चालू आहे, quality checking करतात ते. They are checking with go gauge and no go gauge. Checking of pipes. असं डक्टाइल आयन पिरियोडिक आयन त्याचे पाईप तयार केले. So students, these are the different types of cast irons. बरोबर अशा प्रकारे आपण बघितलं डक्टाईल आयनचा पाईप कशा प्रकारे तयार होतो आणि कुठल्या प्रकारचं आयन करताना काय होतं that cast iron is basically made by the different pig irons. बरोबर pig iron जे असतं scrap steel असतं scrap iron is mixed together with various alloying elements. Various alloying elements are added in some particular proportion so that they will enhance the properties of cast iron, and in this way we have studied these four types of cast iron. White cast iron showing the white color of fracture, gray cast iron having that graphite in the form of gray color, so gray cast iron which is having high damping capacity. Then malleable cast iron and ductile cast iron. Ductile cast iron are called as the spheroidal cast iron. Spherical shape graphite form असतं तिथे. That's why it is called as a spheroidal cast iron or called as a spherical cast iron. So student, in this way we have completed our this third unit of gray cast iron. So all these cast irons, they are widely used in our engineering industry as well as our at day-to-day home line also. We are using this cast iron in our domestic product also. So this gray cast iron is having wide range of properties. They are having high strength, high casting, high fluidity. So because of that it is widely used. So these cast irons are important part of industry. Okay, so in this way students, we have completed our third unit, that is cast iron. Okay students, if there is anything you can ask students before completing the lecture. तर आपण फर्स्ट युनिट बघितलं स्टुडंट्स, that is basics of engineering material. Then second unit मध्ये आपण शिकलो स्टील अँड इट्स अलॉयज. बरोबर, स्टील अँड इट्स अलॉयज मध्ये आपण महत्त्वाचा पार्ट बघितलं, फेज डायग्राम बघितलं. फेज डायग्राम काय or called as equilibrium diagram. Equilibrium diagram, in that we have studied the ion carbon equilibrium diagram or called as the phase diagram or also called as Fe3C diagram. And in that diagram we have studied that ion shows the entropy of ion. That ion shows the entropy of ion. That means it is having more number of phases at different temperatures as well as different carbon content. Okay. And in the third unit, we have studied that up to 2% of carbon, that is steel, different types of steel like clay carbon steel, medium carbon steel, and high carbon steel. So containing 2% of carbon, but from 2.1 onwards, that is called as a cast iron. So from carbon containing from 2.1% to 4.5%, that is basically cast iron. And we have studied these four types of cast iron in detail. So today we are completed our third unit, and as your first class test is postponed after Diwali vacations, so for your first class test you have to understand, means you have to study this all these three chapters for your first class test. Is it clear students? पहिल्या क्लास टेस्टला तिन्ही चॅप्टर वर नेक्स्ट तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन टाकणार आहे. आपल्याला पहिल्या चॅप्टरची क्लास टेस्ट झाली, म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिस टेस्ट झाली. So around this Saturday we will have the second unit test for your second chapter. बरोबर, आयन कार्बन डायग्राम जे शिकलो आपण ना, त्याच्यावर आपण सॅटर्डेला मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एक सेकंड क्लास टेस्ट घेऊ, सो दॅट यू विल हॅव द प्रॅक्टिस फॉर युअर क्लास टेस्ट. इज इट क्लिअर स्टुडंट्स? कोण का विचारायचं का? इज देअर एनिथिंग? सगळ्यांना समजलं सर? पहिले तीन चॅप्टर आपल्या पहिल्या क्लास टेस्टला असणार आहे. क्लास टेस्ट 1 साठी फर्स्ट चॅप्टर, सेकंड चॅप्टर अँड थर्ड आपण जो आज पूर्ण केलं क्लास कास्ट आयन, will be part of your exam, first class test. Okay. So, is there anything you can ask students? Otherwise, you can end up the lecture. Thank you.